So let me show you the problem we're fixing at this all Saturn dealership. Look at all the repair orders are being stored in these file rooms. They wrote the repair order number. File rooms of repair orders by VIN. And what happens if you misplace a repair order? You will never find it. Not here. We got hundreds of file cabinets with VIN numbers for the file folders, and it's not the fastest, easiest, more convenient way to file your repair orders, but we're here to help this dealership and keep them organized and nowadays safeguard compliant. I'm gonna show you how we do this. And this is how we solve the issue. Instead of filing the repair orders, we're gonna scan. We're gonna load up the repair order, click on repair orders, click on the scan repair order button. It's gonna scan 60 pages a minute, front and back. And we're gonna use OCR technology to read the repair order number off of the repair order document so that the user doesn't have to type in the repair order number. There it is, 432806. Click OK. And now anyone in the dealership can view this repair order. It's that easy, simple. You don't have to file these anymore.